Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet sake that helps remove excess fat from your body. You only need 3 ingredients: Sakekasu, koso, and water. Sakekasu is a byproduct of sake. After pressing sake, you get pulp. This is a Sakekasu. It's also called sake leaf. This is today's key ingredient. Sakekasu contains resistant protein, which is a type of protein that our body cannot digest, but our gut bacteria, friendly gut bacteria, can digest. So they ferment this resistant protein and produce short-chain fatty acid that support our gut health, immune system, health balancing mood, lowering inflammation, things like that. And this Sakekasu helps remove excess fat because it's attached to excess fat, cholesterol, and remove from our body so we don't absorb. Our koso will add plummy sweet flavor to this sweet sake, and it goes very well with natural sweetness that Sakekasu has. Now I'm going to show you how to make sweet sake with our koso. When the mixture looks like this is done. I have a Sakekasu and water mixture here. It's cooled down a little bit. Now I'm going to add our koso and give a stir. Sakekasu contains alcohol, so if you are sensitive to alcohol, make sure you boil Sakekasu water mixture at least 5 minutes. You can get Sakekasu from Japanese market or Asian market, even online. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Cheers!